Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going to dive into Fartboy. Once again, thank you for support, okay? Being the CoinsKid crew, so we're going sideways on Fartboy at the moment. Hit a bit of a brick wall sideways, and we do see a big whale that keeps stepping in every few hours and buying $20,000 worth of the token every few hours. Whether or not that's an exchange, we don't know, but someone is accumulating Fartboy like crazy. So anyway, at the moment we're just going sideways. I don't see any reason to be bearish on Fartboy. Actually, the macro environment for me is setting up for a couple of impulsive moves here, especially for Bitcoin. Now, one of the key data points I'm looking at is a CKR. We've not hit that 99 level. I think we got up to roughly 81 and we've been getting correction right on 81 in December. So what I'm looking at, really simple. We've come up, if you take a look, that's December. That is pretty much for me where we've seen a correction in Bitcoin. So it's come down in A, come up in a B, and possibly the C wave complete, some kind of expanded flat correction right there. I actually think the impulse and the move up in January, and a lot of these altcoins, XRP and Bitcoin, is actually a B wave bull trap high. So right now we're in a C wave, and for those people that have been with the channel for a very long time, they will know that C waves are just only opportunity in corrections, which is exactly what I think we've got here. So really simply, I'm looking for the CKR to get really extended into this red sell zone, which it always does in every single cycle, and at that point I'll exit the market basically, and I'll be looking to take profit on Fartboy wherever it is at the time, and I'll relay the message to you. There is equally one other indicator here that's not triggered the top of the run, so I'll go through this quickly with you, and then we'll look at the Fartboy chart and tokenomics. Okay, so on this channel I do rely on data. For anyone that's been in this channel for a very long time, they will know that I do rely on data points, and I always relay the data to you, not the emotion of the market. I actually counter the emotion of the market. When people are extremely bullish, okay, I will look at that as an opportunity to be bearish, and when people are extremely bearish, I will look at that as an opportunity to be bullish. But obviously I need to find the data to stack that theory up as well. So the data is really simple. If you take a look here, this pi cycle top indicator, it's basically two moving averages, 350 day MA times 2, and 111 day is the green line. Basically it's a moving average. So since Bitcoin's inception, you come up, and whenever we see the golden cross, basically when the red line crosses a green line, we see some kind of top before macro correction. Okay, the top just there in 2013, big macro correction. The top on the golden cross just there in late 2017, big macro correction. The top just there in that golden cross, which was in April and May of 2021 right there, then the big macro correction. And right now we've not seen the golden cross. What's happening here is with this particular price action and the moving averages so far are just acting out like they've always done basically. So we saw this level here in 2019, we saw a major rejection off that red line, which is a moving average. The blue line is the Bitcoin price action. So it rallied into the moving average, major correction, just like it did here last year. This is part of my confidence analysis that I expected a big correction, because if we look at every single time we hit the red line, we have a major correction back down to the green line. We had it there, correction, green line, just there, correction, green line. So this is part of my confidence analysis at the time last year when everyone was extremely bullish, and I was relying the data to you, again data not emotion. I said to you, I think we're coming for a correction here, possibly a sideways boring wait for correction before tagging the green line and coming back up in another impulsive move. So in theory, if this is playing out exactly like it's done before, then this is pretty much where we are. You know, you're at this level here on the green line where you do start to come up and go parabolic in this cycle. So with that, what we're looking at is every 4 years here, we do print the golden cross on the pi cycle top. 2013 cycle top, 2017 cycle top, 2021 cycle top. So in theory, this year, Bitcoin should be about to go vertical, turn around, take out the red line, print the golden cross on the pi cycle top, and that's it. You've done it. For every 4 years, you tops in. One top there, one top there, one top there, and another top here. So obviously I'm looking for the invalidation. I think one of the earliest things we can see here is if we start to break down below this moving average, which is currently 92,000, and turn it into resistance, then okay, you know, we're not doing exactly what we've done before. So all eyes on the pi cycle top, because if Bitcoin does begin to turn around and does go vertical, and I'm seeing this set up in a lot of charts, then you know we're right on cue for this year, this printing the golden cross and the top signal like it did in 2021, like it did in 2017, and like it did in 2013. So again, data not emotion, and obviously I'm looking for the data to be invalidated. Keep an eye on the pi cycle top indicator on CoinsKid.com in the indicator section. Let's take a look at the Fartboy chart right now, going forward. Okay, so looking at Fartboy in the hourly time frame, look at this whopping move. This has been a beautiful move. Inception down here. Basically, it came out real poor from a developer. I spotted this coin as a potential scenario, relayed that to the CoinsKid crew in the Discord, and so far it's a whopping 1.9 million% increase. Basically, it's absolutely incredible. What a journey so far. Okay, I'm getting lots of nice messages, and from people in the community, and lots of messages that people want me to do other coins and CTO and things like that. But I'm not doing any other CTO in this cycle, not doing any other community takeover coin. This is the CoinsKid crew coin. There's no other coins that I'll be CTO in. Okay, this was purely by chance, that we spotted this coin. Beautiful. It was very lucky, basically, and that's what crypto is, and that's what meme coins are. You get lucky. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. It is what it is, but we've been extremely lucky on this coin. So I'm not looking at any other CTO. There are obviously other little meme coins that I'm tracking and keeping an eye on. I've relayed them to you before, and I'll relay others in the future as well, but at the minute this is the primary objective for this coin. We're building a community around this. As a CTO, this is a community takeover by the CoinsKid crew. There's a team behind the scenes that are working on it, creating content, and it's amazing. It's an amazing project. I absolutely love this project and the community that's come together on this project. I'm so proud of it, basically. But remember, there's going to be volatility in these meme coins. Nothing goes up forever, nothing goes down forever, but it moves in waves, and you're fully aware that the market moves in waves, and this is what happens. So you ride the waves. But at the minute, for me, I just if I'm looking at the data and relying on data, I don't see any reason to sell Fartboy. Okay, obviously it's going to be volatile, come up, come down, so on and so forth. But if I'm relying on the data of previous cycles, we're nowhere near the top of this cycle yet for Bitcoin and XRP and crypto. And those data points that I've built on CoinsKid.com, they're the data points that told me we're bullish in January of 2023, and the bottom right there for Bitcoin. And and they're the same data points I'm relying on to sell as the tops in. So until that day comes, I understand why people flip bearish and think that we're in a bear market and things like that. But corrective price structure is boss, and this is what we've got. We've got a 5-wave corrective price structure here for this particular project, and that's exactly what I see for Bitcoin. Some kind of sideways consolidation for XRP, some kind of expanded fat, and many other coins see a zigzag. Really simple corrective patterns, basically, that I'm looking at across the board on many altcoins. So with that, then we should begin to see a turnaround over the next few months once we bottom out down here on a lot of these altcoins and Bitcoin, and then full steam ahead. We'll see another little impulse which stacks up with a data point, and then potentially another correction, and then come back later in the year. Who knows? But until I start to see the data points lining up, I'm still bullish on this market, and this is why I do think that this particular project that we clutched right out the trenches down there in the depths of despair, blood fear and depression, this could be one of the best things I've ever done on this channel, okay, and make more millionaires than any other YouTuber or crypto guy on the internet, because this could be an absolute life-changing opportunity for the CoinsKid crew going forward. So I keep updating on Fartboy as best I can, but remember, it's going to be volatile. You're going to see little consolidation patterns, ranges and things like that. This is what happens in the crypto space. Enjoy the ride. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Fartboy. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.